Okay, so what if you could pop your aadhaar right in your pocket, but make it way smarter and a whole lot safer than ever before? Well, UIDAI just dropped a brand new app that does exactly that. And honestly, it's probably going to change how you think about your ID. So let's dive in and see what this is all about.
I mean, think about it. The last time you had to show your ID, maybe at a hotel or for some verification, did you get that little moment of hesitation? You know, you're handing over your entire life on that card. Your full address, your birthday, that whole 12-digit number. In today's world, where privacy is such a big deal, that's a totally fair thing to worry about.
But what if you didn't have to do that? Imagine if you could control exactly what info you share. What if you could just prove, say, your age without flashing your home address to a complete stranger? Well, that is the exact problem this new tool is built to fix.
And this is where the new Aadhaar app enters the picture. The best way to think about it, it's basically a digital wallet for your identity. Instead of cash and cards, it holds you. It's designed from the ground up to be super secure, easy to use, and, this is the big one, it puts you back in the driver's seat when it comes to your personal data.
So what's the deal with this app, really? Well, it takes your physical Aadhaar card and turns it into a super secure digital version that lives right on your phone. And this isn't just a picture of your card, okay? This gives you a level of control you've never had before. You get to decide who sees what, and you can literally track every single time it's used for authentication.
Okay, so I keep saying it puts you in charge, but how? Well, the app is absolutely packed with features built for two things: making your life easier and keeping your data locked down tight. Let's break down some of the coolest ones.
All right, first up, convenience. And this is a big one. You can manage Aadhaar profiles for your family members all from a single phone. For parents, this is a total game changer. Plus, and I love this, once you're set up, you don't even need internet to pull up your card. So if you're stuck in a basement with no signal or out in the middle of nowhere, you're still good to go.
Yeah, you heard that right. You can add up to 5 different profiles on just one device. Now, there is one little catch. All of those Aadhaar numbers have to be linked to the same mobile number. But for a family unit, that makes it absolutely perfect for keeping everyone's ID handy in one spot.
Okay, now for my favorite part, and this is where the app really shines: control. You can literally choose to share just your name and photo, hiding everything else. So no more worrying about some random person seeing your home address when all you need to do is prove you're over 21. On top of that, you can lock the whole thing down with your fingerprint or face. And there's an activity log that shows you a complete history of every single time your Aadhaar was used for authentication. Awesome, right?
So right about now, you're probably thinking, hang on a second, don't I already have an Aadhaar app? What about maadhaar? And you're absolutely right. But here's the key thing to get. This new app doesn't replace the old one. They're designed to work together because they actually do two totally different jobs.
Okay, here's the easiest way to think about it. This new app, that's your daily driver. It's your digital wallet for your ID, the thing you use to show and share your info securely day to day. The old maadhaar app is more like your back office admin portal. That's where you go for the heavy lifting, like downloading your aadhaar, ordering a new plastic card, or updating your details. So see, one is for using your ID, the other is for managing it.
All right, so you want to get started? The great news is it's super simple. Seriously, you can be up and running in just a few minutes with 4 quick steps.
First things first, you're going to download the official Aadhaar app. Just do a quick check to make sure the developer is UIDAI, so you know you've got the right one. Next, you just pop in your Aadhaar number and verify it with the OTP they send to your phone. After that, you'll do a quick face scan just to confirm it's really you. And last, just set up a PIN or turn on the biometric lock, and boom, you're done. It's that easy.
Okay, so once you're all set up, the number one question on your mind is probably about security, right? And it should be. We're talking about your identity here. So let's take a look at the layers of protection that UIDAI has baked right into this app from the very beginning.
Think of this app like a digital fortress. It's got multiple walls of security. First, that face authentication during setup makes sure nobody else can set it up for you. A huge one is that your data is stored locally on your phone. It's not sitting on some server somewhere, which is awesome for privacy. Then you've got your PIN and biometric locks as the first gatekeeper. And of course, all those features we talked about, like masking your aadhaar number and checking the activity log, they give you constant oversight and control.
And you know, that's really what this all boils down to. This isn't just about sticking a digital picture of a card on your phone. It's a fundamental shift. It's about taking control of your most personal information and putting it back where it belongs, in your hands. You decide what gets shared, you decide when it gets shared, and you've always got the receipts to prove how it's being used.
And this all leads to a much bigger question, doesn't it? When you look at its focus on user control, its tough security, and just how convenient it is, you have to wonder, could this be the blueprint for the future of digital ID? Not just here, but maybe everywhere? It's a pretty powerful thought, and it's all about putting that control right back where it should be, with you.